If you wanna make a anime avatar, AI avatar like this,
to my YouTube channel, where you can learn how to use the powerful features of Wondershare Verbo AI. Join me as
you're at right place. I'm gonna show you how to make an video avatar like this. Okay, let's go. So the website name is Wondershare Verbo AI. You can find the link in description. Complete the sign up process, download the app, and you can find the app into your desktop. Open it. Okay, now choose any of the you want. I like an Indian guy, so I gonna choose him.
Wondershare Digit.
Create video and background. Now first choose your background what you like. I like festival, lifestyle, yeah, lifestyle. Choose any of the. I gonna choose this. Okay, now it can even translate it for you and make your script more better. Okay, let me show you. Like there, you see, just apply it, and you can make him say this in many languages. Just click on AI translation. You can choose Chinese, Hindi, English, Thai, Germany, any language. Okay, for now I am choosing English, and for voice, collect all. First select all language. I like English. Gender male. Select any voice that feels good.
Wondershare Verbo.
I like this voice. Okay, you can choose his location according to this, and if you like the video and you like this, then export it. Now wait for 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes according to the length of your video. Okay, now I skipped a little bit of video. Now it's done. Let's hear it. How is it? Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be providing you with a comprehensive tutorial on how to effectively utilize the remarkable Wondershare Verbo AI software. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel.
If you like the video, just download it. It's downloaded. Congratulations. So that's how you use Wondershare AI. So that's how you make your own video. Now if you like the video, subscribe it also. And comment AI to learn more AI tools just like this. Thank you for watching.